Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fourth video in our series on the most common Korean adverbs. Adverbs play a very crucial role in making sentences more expressive and natural. We all know about that because in any language, adverbs are really important as we learn verbs and adjectives. Similarly, adverbs are also very important in any language. Right now, as we're talking about Korean language, so let's focus on that. Now, if you don't know about the concept of adverbs in Korean or how adverbs are created in Korean language, what are the different types of adverbs, how to use them in sentences, then I'll share the link of the playlist consisting of all these videos related to adverbs in Korean language in the description so that it becomes easier for you to have an access to all those videos. Now, talking about the series, in this series, I'll introduce 10 useful Korean adverbs in each video. So, this is the fourth video. So, we've already learned 30 Korean adverbs in the three videos previously. If you have not watched any of these videos, then please do watch them. They are going to be really helpful for you. So now, in this fourth video, again, I'm going to share 10 useful Korean adverbs along with their meaning, example sentences, and the adverb type, like manner adverb or degree adverb or time adverb, place adverb, whatever, whichever type of adverb we are talking about. So I'm going to share with you the meaning, the example sentence, and the type of adverb. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your Korean skills, this series is really going to help you use adverbs effectively. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Here comes the first adverb, 멀리. 멀리. It means far or far away. And this is a place adverb. Okay, as we are talking about a location, something is far away. So we are talking about place or location. Therefore, 멀리 is a place adverb. Now let's take a look at this example. That mountain is far away. 저 산은 멀리 있어요. 저 is that. Mountain, san. To be far, we use the adverb 멀리. Okay, so you're talking about a mountain that is really far away. 저 산은 멀리 있어요. Okay, this is how you use an adverb. Now comes the next adverb, 이미. 이미. It means already. Okay, so it is used when the speaker knows something that has already happened. Okay, it's kind of a fact. A fact that the speaker already knows about that has already happened. For that, you use the adverb "imi." And this is a time adverb, as we are talking about time when the action already occurred, right? So the action occurred in the past. It has already happened. So it is a time adverb. Okay, let's take a look at this example. I already read the newspaper. 저는 이미 신문을 읽었어요. I is 저는, newspaper, 신문. To read, 읽다, past tense, 읽었어요. I already read the newspaper. Here, focus on already. You have already done something. Something has already happened. For that, we use the adverb 이미. Okay? Remember the meaning of this adverb because now the next adverb also means already. But we are going to discuss the difference between "imi" and the following adverb. Okay, so you get what "imi" means and how it is used. It is used to say already, and it means that something has already happened. Okay? Now comes 벌써. 벌써. It also means already. Now, what is the difference between 이미 and 벌써? So, 이미 is used when something has already happened. But talking about 벌써, it is used when the speaker feels surprised that something happened so quickly or earlier than expected. Okay, so you get the difference between 이미 and 벌써? 벌써 is used when you are surprised. This already happened. Means you weren't expecting it to happen this earlier, but it already happened. In case of Amy, there is no feeling of surprise. Okay, you're just stating a fact that has already happened, right? I hope you get this. So again, 벌써 is also a time adverb, just like Amy. Look at this example. Minnie already finished the homework. So here, there is a tone of surprise. What? That Minnie wasn't supposed to finish the homework, but she already did. So you are surprised. Minnie already finished the homework? 미니는 숙제를 벌써 끝냈어요? Okay, so you are surprised. And in that case, we use 벌써. Minnie in Korean is written like this. Homework is 숙제. To finish, 끝내다. And in the past tense, it is 끝냈어요. Now you have to say Minnie already finished the homework with a tone of surprise as you weren't expecting her to finish the homework yet. But she did. And so for that, you use the adverb 벌써. Okay? I hope you understand the difference between 이미 and 벌써 because it is very important. It shows how effectively you are learning Korean. Both of these adverbs, they mean already, but with 벌써, there is a tone of surprise attached with it. Okay? All right. Now, let's move ahead to the next adverb, that is 열심히. 열심히. It means hard or diligently. And so, this is a manner adverb as you are indicating the manner in which an action is done. Okay? You did something with really hard work. You did something diligently. So, the manner is indicated over here, and therefore, 열심히 is a manner adverb. It means hard or diligently. Okay, it describes how hard or earnestly someone does something. Look at this example. My brother studied hard for the exam. 제 형은 시험을 위해 열심히 공부했어요. 제 형은, my brother. exam, 시험. For the exam, 시험을 위해. To study, 공부하다, past tense, 공부했어요. Studied hard. 열심히 공부했어요. You get this? Your brother studied hard for the exam. So to indicate that, you use the adverb 열심히. Now comes the next adverb, that is up. It means front or in front. So just by the meaning, you can easily recognize it is a place adverb. As you're talking about the location or the place in front or front. Let's take a look at the example. The cafe is in front of the school. 카페는 학교 앞에 있어요. Cafe, 카페. School, 학교. In front, up. And as you're talking about a location, you use the location marker or the particle e. Okay, so it is very easy to use this adverb. You just need to indicate the location of a place. The cafe is in front of the school. 카페는 학교 앞에 있어요. Next is 뒤. It means behind or back. So it is the opposite of up. Up is front. Three, behind. Again, a place adverb. Now, look at this sentence. The park is behind the restaurant. 공원은 식당 뒤에 있어요. Park, 공원. Restaurant, 식당. To be behind, 뒤에. Okay? It is very easy to use this adverb once you know when to use which one. Up, in front, three, behind. Okay? Next comes the adverb 일찍. 일찍. It means early. So, as you can see, it is a time adverb. Something happened early. So, we are talking about time, right? So, it is a time adverb. Let's take a look at the example. I woke up early in the morning. 저는 아침에 일찍 일어났어요. I is 저는, morning, 아침. To wake up, 일어나다. Past tense, 일어났어요. Here, you have to say woke up early. 일찍 일어났어요. You use the adverb 일찍. Okay? Now, a very important note before we move ahead. Not all Korean adverbs can be neatly categorized into one type, like time, manner, place, degree, or frequency. Okay? So you cannot categorize each and every Korean adverb into one type. There are some adverbs that carry meaning depending on the context, and therefore they don't fit into a single category. Okay? So you will come across some adverbs that cannot be categorized into either of these categories: time, manner, place, degree, or frequency. They depend on the context. Okay, so therefore, now we are going to look at three such adverbs that do not fit into any of these categories. Let's take a look. First comes 갑자기. 갑자기. It means suddenly. Okay, an action happened suddenly. 갑자기. Now, just by noticing the meaning of this adverb, you can easily identify that you cannot fit this adverb or categorize this adverb into any of the categories. Like something happened suddenly. The manner of the action was sudden, or it can also relate to time. Something happened suddenly in a very short period of time. So it could either be a manner adverb or a time adverb. You cannot categorize it in one category. So therefore, I am going to label them as uncategorized, okay, or contextual or multiple type adverb. You can call it whatever you want, but just keep in mind that these kind of adverbs exist that do not fall into one category. 갑자기 is one such adverb. Now, look at this example. I suddenly had a stomachache. 갑자기 배가 아팠어요. 배, stomach. To have a pain. 아프다, past tense, 아팠어요. Suddenly had a stomachache. 갑자기 배가 아팠어요. Okay, you get this? Now comes the next adverb, 함께. 함께. It means together. Now again, you cannot categorize it in any of the category. Okay, so again, this is uncategorized. It means together. We watched the movie together. 우리는 영화를 함께 봤어요. We is 우리, movie, 영화. To watch, 보다, past tense, 봤어요. You have to say, we watched the movie together. And for together, the Korean word is 함께. 함께 봤어요. Okay? Now, there is another adverb in Korean which means together. That is 같이. 같이. It also means together. But there is a slight difference between 함께 and 같이. 함께 is used in formal writing or news or announcements, whereas 같이, it is common in daily speech and in casual conversation. So, in daily conversations, you'll look 같이 being used more frequently as compared to 함께. 함께 is for formal situations or formal settings. Okay? So, again, this is uncategorized. We watched the movie together. 우리는 영화를 같이 봤어요. You replaced 함께 with 같이. That is the only difference in this sentence. Okay, and I hope you get this. 함께 is used in formal situations and 같이 is used in casual ones. And 함께 is more often used in written form and 같이 in spoken form. All right? So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more such grammar videos. Thank you.